How can I obtain a medical credit card to fund the purchase of a Healy, or how can I help clients in my practice purchase one? In today's economy, not everybody can afford to purchase a Healy, or much of anything for that matter. Whether people are looking to purchase a Healy for the health benefits, or for the economic opportunity, options do exist. You have to ask yourself, is it worth spending anywhere between $500 and $2,500 to enjoy better physical and mental health, or to have the possibility to create fairly immediate income, whether it be primary or a supplemental income? You be the judge of that. There are banks and finance companies that specialize in, or at least have a division that provides financing for medical services and equipment. Some are for larger medical equipment and some are small ticket financing. You've probably noticed when you walk in many dentists' offices, you'll normally see brochures from companies that finance dental work. This works on the same principle. As you can imagine, those with really high credit scores will be offered better interest rates than those with lower credit scores. As with many credit cards, they can accelerate the interest rate if you do not make your payments on time. According to the Credit Card Act of 2009, credit card issuers are required to give you 45 days notice before raising your interest rates. The information we are providing is not an endorsement of any particular bank or program. As always, use caution and examine the terms of the individual cards. These programs have been vetted and have been given high rankings by different companies that review credit cards. The link in the description will be an ever-changing document as we find better opportunities, and we will add some and delete some. We claim no responsibility or liability for any of these financial service companies. If you are a healthcare practitioner of any sort, this will not be new to you. Again, this is a service and a tool to help your patients. Whether you're looking for a medical credit card as a consumer or a distributor, or if you're looking to provide financing options for patients, these are excellent options for both situations.